Today on the Stay at Home Chef, I'm showing you how to make classic no-fuss chili. This chili really is no fuss. You basically just brown, pour, and simmer, and then you're good to go. But don't worry, we haven't sacrificed any flavor. We're gonna start by browning 1.5 pounds of lean ground beef. Just wanna break that up and brown it for about 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, when that starts to brown, add in 1 white diced onion and get that cooking. After about 3 minutes, you can drain off the excess grease if there is any, and then add in 2 cloves of minced garlic. Then brace yourself because we are ready for the dump and simmer stage, so we're gonna add in the rest of our ingredients. You'll need 3 tablespoons of chili powder, a teaspoon of ground cumin, a teaspoon of salt, teaspoon of black pepper. I'm gonna give this just a quick stir here. 1 15-ounce can of diced tomatoes, 1 14.5-ounce cans of beef broth, 2 15-ounce cans of dark red kidney beans that are drained. It's a good idea if you wanna rinse those beans because you don't want that weird funky bean juice that ends up in canned beans. And then last, you want 4.5-ounce cans, 2 of them, of green chilies, diced green chilies. And we're gonna stir this, and you can see it's already boiling. We're gonna reduce the heat to low so we can simmer this. Then we'll pop a lid on it, and then that's it. We're gonna let this simmer for about 1 hour. You can stir it every once in a while if you want to make sure nothing catches on the bottom of the pan and burns. Now after it's simmered, we wanna thicken it up. So I have some tortilla chips in here. You just wanna crush those up until they're finely crushed. This is a great use of the dregs of your tortilla chip bag, you know, all the little crumbs at the bottom. You're gonna need about 2/3 of a cup of finely crushed tortilla chips. Then we'll just pour this in with our chili. Stir that all in. We'll let this sit for 10 minutes and those chips will slowly dissolve and thicken up the rest of the juices in our chili. Then that's it. There's no fuss about it. You can serve this up plain, or popular topping options for chili include freshly chopped cilantro, maybe a little shredded cheddar cheese, and sour cream. Thanks for watching. You can find the full written recipe in the video description. Be sure to subscribe, like, and follow, and check out the rest of my videos where you can find hundreds of restaurant quality recipes you can easily make at home. See you later.